Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The 2026 Lincoln Navigator Reserve continues to command attention as the pinnacle of American luxury SUVs, where presence, power, and refinement converge into a full-size experience unlike any other. With fresh updates, for 2026, the Navigator Reserve isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling sanctuary crafted for those who demand more. From the outside, the Navigator wears its confidence well. A redesigned front fascia now boasts a bolder grille with illuminated accents, seamlessly integrated with adaptive pixel LED headlamps. The signature light bar returns, stretching across the front for a wide, modern stance, while new 22-inch machined wheels and satin chrome trim elevate the Reserve model's curb appeal. Subtle rear-end tweaks include a full-width taillight animation and a power tailgate that opens hands-free with effortless grace. Inside is where the Navigator Reserve truly separates itself. Step in and you're greeted by massaging leather, captain's chairs, genuine wood inlays, and a serene acoustic environment, thanks to active noise cancellation and dual-pane glass. The updated 13.2-inch touchscreen runs Lincoln's latest SYNC 5 interface with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new AI-powered voice assistant. Rear passengers enjoy equal treatment. Second row heated, ventilated, and reclining. Seats, rear infotainment screens, and ample stretch-out space make every row first class. Expect an available 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system to turn the cabin into a concert hall. Under the hood, the 2026 Navigator Reserve is expected to retain its 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, pushing out around 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, delivering confident acceleration with smooth, composed power. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic and adaptive suspension, the Navigator glides over pavement like a true luxury flagship. Optional four-wheel drive ensures capability meets elegance, whether you're cruising highways or venturing off the beaten path. Advanced safety remains a Lincoln hallmark. The 2026 Navigator includes Lincoln Blue Cruise 2.0, offering hands-free driving on mapped highways. Adaptive cruise, evasive steering assist, and intersection collision avoidance all work in the background, ensuring peace of mind with every journey. Starting around $91,000, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator Reserve continues to define what it means to travel in quiet sophistication. It's not just a drive, it's a statement. Confident, capable, and uncompromising. This is Lincoln at full strength.